Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a combined love reading for my fire sign viewers. So, basically, this reading is going to be for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius people. Fire sign viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So, please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energy, okay, towards you and this relationship, your energy towards your partner, and your mutual energy. Along with that, I'm going to see um, the future potential of your relationship. Plus, I'm also going to see some divine angel messages for you, okay. Three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Temperance. Okay. I feel that your person is really focusing towards their career, finances, and goals. Okay, so I feel your person is kind of very much in talks or very much in discussion with some people to gain the clarity to how to become successful in their career life or professional life. Okay, some meetings are going on at their end. They are being really busy in their own life. They are really they are doing really hard work. Okay, they are really hard working people. They are talking to certain people, they are meeting certain people to get clarity, to get information, to get knowledge, how to take things forward, to get the material things, or to get the money, or to how to earn the money. Basically, they are learning some new skills, I feel, with this Three of Pentacles. Okay, and if I talk about you, I feel that fire sign, you are planning to start something new in this relationship. Okay, it could happen for some of you that you want to offer something in this relationship to your person. It could be proposal, it could be commitment. Okay, and for some of you, I'm feeling that you are going to start something new towards your career, towards your finances, towards your goal. It could happen for some of you that you always wanted to start certain or some new business in your life, but you never thought about it. Now you feel that that's the right time to start something new, to get the or to earn the money. Okay, to earn the material things in life. Okay, with this Page of Pentacles, the current situation is that I feel that either you and your person is definitely, either one of you is definitely going to offer this Page of Cups to your person. Okay, and for some of you, it could also happen that your person, that you that I mean I'm feeling that for some of you that a new person is definitely going to come in your life. Okay, since your person is kind of very busy. Okay, they are not missing you right now. There is no nothing is happening from their side. So for some of you, it could happen that a new love offer is coming into your way with Page of Cups. That's what I'm feeling. But I feel that majorly you are going to offer this Page of Cups to your person, and it could also happen for some of you that your person is coming forward and offering you this Page of Cups, because I feel that your person is kind of very much busy in their own life, in their own job and career. Now they feel that it's okay, they want material things material things in their life, but also they want some emotions and some love from you. So I feel that your person is going to offer you this Page of Cups. Okay, and the future potential of this relationship is the Temperance. I'm feeling a very good fortune for both of you. Okay, both of you adores each other. Both of you bring balance into your partner's life. Both of you know how to calm your person, how to be grounded. Okay, although no matter how much success you get in the future, okay, both of you know how to make your person grounded. Okay, both of you know how to bring balance. Okay, both of you know how to console, how to heal your person, basically. Okay, Now let's take divine angel message for you. Oh my god, oops, sorry. Choose a new direction. Okay, not the right time. Okay, I feel that angels are asking you to focus on your career things right now, okay, with this page of pentacles. So that's why angels are saying that it is not the right time to offer this page of cups to your person, okay. And also they are asking you to choose a new direction, okay. So angels basically they are asking you to not to focus on this page of cup things. They want you to focus towards this page of pentacle energy, okay. They want you to start something new to gain abundance and prosperity and material things in life, okay. So yeah, that's it. So that was the reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.